Exceptional good location. Go-to hostel. Nice beds, set bathroom and toilet, affordable when booked on Agoda. Too bad they are closed temporarily for renovations at this time. I'm sure they will open again. Exceptional. I love Draper. From my first day during check-in and last day when I checked out, I was so impressed with the staff. I've been planning to stay here and finally, I got the time. The room smelled so good, it's so clean and the Wi-Fi for remote workers both in the room and at the co-working space was so fast. I would definitely go back when it's done with renovation. Work travel nice place to stay. My default hostel I always book this place whenever I need to work in Makati. I work in Makati Avenue Corpuseo de Roxas which is a walking distance. The place outside can be noisy but room is quiet. Lockers has locks already CR inside the room. Always check the shower gel and shampoo though as it sometimes runs out and you will need to inform the reception. Best thing for me is that they have water dispensers in each floor. Practical pros. Clean CR is inside each room, water dispenser in each floor, nice smelling beddings, regular housekeeping, safe, has enough space for 6 people and luggages, lockers with locks, they provide towels, good Wi-Fi. Cons. It takes time for the shower water to get hot, you will have to inform reception when the room runs out of shower gel/shampoo. Beds are made of metal frame which can make noise when people move. One of the best in town, super recommended. Super clean, approachable and friendly staffs, everything is great, starstruck. Great staff. I told the staff if I could leave my bag for 2 days and they agreed. Thank you. Exceptional. The bed is glorious. It's clean and very relaxing. Exceptional. The staff are accommodating. Highly recommended. Great co-work space and good location Wi-Fi. Great co-work space and good location Wi-Fi.